Hello traders and welcome back to another video here on the Learn to Trade channel. Today we're going to talk about gold. And the reason we're going to talk about gold is because we need to understand where this metal is headed. Last week we took a very nice long position, right? I'll show you actually the long position that we took. This is the hourly chart. Yeah, this is the hourly chart. So we took this position right off the 61.8. Let me grab my brush. We took the position right from the 61.8 at the retest of the previous area. And we took profits right here where we should have taken profits. And we will stop to break even. I'm sorry. And at the open on Sunday, we got stopped out at break even on the rest of our position. But where really is gold going? Now, let me just delete all this Fibonacci retracement and extension levels because it's important to understand just levels, right? Right now we are capped to the downside by the previous weekly low and to the upside by the previous weekly high, right? And if you see here, there are two big levels on my chart: the May 2020 highs and the March 2020 highs. Now let me go to the the daily chart and show you these big levels. So the May 2020 highs, which are in fact these highs right here, which are also the November 2020 lows, are a big level to the upside. This is the level that's being capped, or that is capping gold to the downside. Now, I need to go ahead and move this level a little bit to the downside because that level was broken. The real level that now we are looking at gold is this one right here. So, if we look at historic price action, you can see that gold went on a crazy range between these two levels, right? It went on a very crazy range for a while. Let me tell you exactly how long this range was. From the point where gold stepped into that range until the moment it actually broke with it, and we moved to the all-time highs, we spent 77 days inside of this range, right? And if history repeats itself, we could be, in fact, trading inside of this range for a while. So that's the reason that taking positions in gold at the moment is a little bit tricky. And it is a little bit tricky because of this, because we are trapped inside of this range. Now, I'm not telling you that we are going to break to the upside and rally again to hit all-time highs. No, I don't know what's going to happen. I can only read price action and take my trades on a high probability basis. And for the time being, we are capped to the upside by this level right here, which is the, let's call it the 1750 level. And it looks like we are trading inside of a continuation pattern. Now, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and these are the April through May lows. I need to do this. Oh boy. So I said April through May 2020 lows. Right. So let's go back to the 4-hour chart, or let's go to the hourly chart. Actually, let's go to the 4-hour chart. I don't want to make such a big jump just yet. And right now, we are having a very bullish day. Right? From the weekly lows, we have moved a little bit. Well, to do that, let's go and let's have a look at the hourly. Not a very bullish day, actually, but it is a bullish day nonetheless. We have moved from the weekly lows to the weekly pivot about 72%, 0.72%. So if we go back to the 4-hour chart, people, this is the flaggish or the continuation pattern that I was discussing earlier, right? If it looks like a continuation pattern, smells like a continuation pattern, why are you going to be trading other thing than a continuation pattern, right? So, and if we go ahead and calculate the possible targets to the downside, this could in fact give us a very, very nice winner right here for about let's call it about 1,000 pips, 1,000 pip, or a minus 6% move to the downside. Now these are calculated targets from the flag, and right now, if we count the waves within the flag, we've seen the first, the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we need to go down. All right, so we might get another leg up to retest these May 2020 highs. And if we get that leg up to retest these highs, or if we don't and we break with this pattern, these are the two probable scenarios that I'm waiting for in order for sending that sell signal in gold, where we will get a great move to the downside like this one, and we are going to stop trading inside of this range until we get some directional bias by a breakout of this bear flag. I'm sorry. So this is what we are waiting what we are waiting for in gold, and these are the levels that we are watching as a team. And if you want to get this signal, well, there's a link below that video, or there's a link in the video description where you can actually subscribe to the VIP signals and join the team. Thank you.